Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, April 15th. We are going to be wrapping up the questions for To the Top of Everest today. So basically, your only job today is to open up your document of questions that you've been working on for the past 2 days. Again, that looks like this. And on Monday, you did part 1. Yesterday, you did part 2. And today you're going to work on part 3. So today's section is a little longer because you don't have to do any reading. You have to refer back to the text several times. For example, here you have to put pieces of evidence from the text, and this should be direct quotes, meaning your answer should have a quotation. And you should write exactly what was said in the text. And then you should say the author said, or something like that. You need a speech tag. So you could say the author said, and then put your quote in. But it should be a direct quote, meaning the words come exactly as they were in the actual text. Okay. Other than that, you don't have anything else. It's just a longer assignment in this document today. Here, you're going to be talking about the essential question. So remember that the essential question for this whole unit is what drives people to explore. So what are 2 pieces of evidence from the text or direct quotes that prove people like to explore for different reasons? So what did our author enjoy or find value in when she was hiking on Everest? Why was she doing this? And finally, you're going to work on a 4-sentence summary. Now, the go beyond, again, this is optional. Every time we have a worksheet like this, you're going to have an optional section. So if you found this section easier or you got done pretty quickly, we would really encourage you to start doing the optional sections as well. They're usually pretty entertaining or fun. So for example, the first option would be to compile 10 facts that surprise you about Mount Everest, where you could just do a Google search and find out more about the mountain and so forth. So read your options and see if any of these appeal to you, and then complete them if you have time. All right. So that is it for today. You're just finishing up part 3. Remember to mark things as complete in Otis. So once you're done, when you click on this box, you should say mark complete at the bottom so we know it's done. If you have any questions, always email us or drop in at our 9 to 10 a.m. drop-in session or our 1 to 2 p.m. drop-in session. And you have the links for that in your email. Thanks. Have a good day.